listening to the Daily Nugget, dnugget.com for November 16th. It is Jesus Religious Sunday. I'm Andy, Jen, Janelle, and Sam are here. And this is in the top 3 of our favorite Jesus Religious Sunday videos. We're going to
Okay.
baptism.
Oh, my
It's
goodness.
a video daily double.
You ready?
Here we go. Let's see how they do. All right, wait, before we start, what do we think is going to go wrong here?
He slips.
What's going to go wrong? Okay, because we've got, so to start here, the ratio of 2 baptizers to baptizees is probably good, although it's a smaller guy and 2 bigger guys that are dunking them, so it shouldn't be that hard.
And the pool is rather large, so, I mean, it holds them all, so he's not going to run out of water.
Also, the first comment on the video is, "Listen, y'all, please be careful of what you eat before
Oh, no.
baptized."
Oh, no. Okay,
I was going to say either he slips or he fights the guys from going under, but that's a turn.
Well,
I already know what's going to happen, so I'm not going to comment.
Okay, well, without the first comment coloring my guess, I'm going to say I think the blue guy in the blue shirt somehow. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost.
That ain't real.
No, it's AI.
That has to be AI.
No, especially
So
with how
fast from everywhere.
With how fast it comes out.
The front.
No. I mean, Jen, I'm sure has little buddy had some blowouts like that?
Just this week, in fact, a couple of them. In the tub.
Oh.
They didn't look like that.
Well, at least it was in the tub. That means you just got to drain it and refill it.
You don't think that worked? You don't think that could really happen?
Not like that.
The crowd reaction was very legit.
I don't.
And he just stands there. Ain't no way.
No. He would move too. No way. Fake.
But that would be a bad day.
Boy, we're just running into all sorts of AI videos this week.
Correct. We are not AI, just so you know.
As far as we know.
Well,
I don't know.
Is this all a simulation? Are we in the Matrix? These are questions
Maybe.
I all came up with at 2001 because I thought it was super cool because I love sci-fi and watched The Matrix. Or that didn't come out in 2001, did it? It came out in 99.
And why would you need to know that, Andy? Why? Why do you continually force facts that are useless into your head and then
The
shout
Matrix?
them out? Yeah.
It came out
Wait,
in 99.
are you in with the people that are controlling the sim?
Are you taking the blue pill,
Janelle.
Janelle?
I've never watched that movie. Sorry.
Janelle is the blue pill.
It is a good movie. You would like it.
You think I would love it? Because I have such a love and embrace the world of technology. Do you think I'd love it?
You love technology.
Hey,
Look
I
at
still
you.
have my original typewriter I started with, I don't know how many years ago.
You have Oh, go get it, Janelle. You got the typewriter? Go get it. Go get it.
I got the typewriter. I'm not going to go get it.
Go
That
get
thing's heavy.
it. I don't believe you. Go get it.
Is that what's behind the curtain?
No, it would take me quite a bit because it's like, it's underneath something. It's not, no, not going to get it.
What
I
is
can take a
underneath,
picture of it
Janelle?
for you.
Terry.
What are you afraid? What are you afraid to tell us that you have that it's underneath?
I'd have to go outside to that pile and get it.
It's in the pile?
It's in the death pile?
No. I was joking. I'm not going to go get it. It would take, no, it's too much of a disruption to the show.
I'm
But
just
I
saying,
do-
it could be worth some money. Typewriters?
Yeah, some typewriters are worth something.
Yeah. This is the
They're back
manual.
in style.
Smith Corona. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Shing. And now teachers are going to have them in their classes to keep kids off Chat GPT.
Oh, well, all right. It might go for a high price.
It's true.
nuggethatemail@gmail.com. Let us
If
know
you're interested in
Janelle
putting in,
Yeah.
submitting a bid for my typewriter,
I'm
let
more
me-
interested in what is on top of the typewriter that Janelle doesn't want us to know about. Give us your best guesses.
Another typewriter.